So a little bit about me. I actually grew up in Arlington, Texas, went to school down in Austin at the University of Texas, came back up for law school at what was then Texas Wesleyan University, now Texas A&M is where I got my Juris Doctorate. So I've been involved in family law my entire legal career. It has been a blessing, to be totally honest. It's not something that I necessarily thought I would be involved in, even throughout college, but I really enjoy working with people. I'd like to problem solve. So much of this job has to do with interpersonal communication and dealing with a lot of good people in some really tough times. I feel like this job allows you to help as many people as possible and work with kids and really help the community at large. So I've known Benson and Anna for quite some time. My wife, actually, I believe was the first criminal associate attorney that works here, Alex. So she's been involved with the firm for years, and I've talked to Anna and Benson for quite a long time. We became friends, and when the opportunity presented itself to open the family law division, I was blessed enough to be the first call they made, and it was just kind of a meeting of paradise. It was something that I always hoped to do, is become a partner and run the family law side of a firm, and it's been an absolute blessing. We've been growing at a rapid pace, and it's been everything that I could have hoped it to be. I think as the head of the family law division, one of the greatest challenges I face is ensuring that all of our staff's needs and all of the attorneys' needs on the family side are met. We've been blessed with some wonderful clients. We've been blessed with many clients up to this point. We've been growing, and one of the most important things to me is to make sure that everyone at the firm is taken care of on the family side. And so I'd have to say, making sure that each and every client is getting the attention that they deserve, the attention that they've reached out to our firm because they know that's what to expect with the attorneys that we've brought in to help with their cases. And at the same time, making sure that the attorneys aren't overworked, because family law can be an extremely taxing job, but at the same time, rewarding. So I would say that the most challenging thing being in charge of a division is making the balance between client needs and attorneys' needs met at the same time. I think the future for the family law group is incredibly bright. We've been growing, we've been scaling. There's been some tremendous folks that have come in and worked with our firm in 2022. The hope is to continue to grow in 2023 and beyond. I imagine that will continue to be the case. Thankfully, we've been blessed that the phone continues to ring. I'm always open to folks that want to reach out and join the family law team here at Varghese Summersett. I think it's a wonderful place to work. It was voted one of the best places to work for working families. I have a daughter myself. My wife works here. So to say the least, I love being here, and I know that she does too, and I'd like to think our daughter will potentially one day as well. The family law division here handpicked a lot of the people that came here. It was really important to me as we build and as we grow to bring in attorneys not just that are tremendously good at their jobs, but are also wonderful people that I enjoy spending time with, because family law is an extremely stressful day-to-day job. And you don't want stress to also exist with office environment and drama and not enjoying the people you're working with. So I've been incredibly happy with everyone that has come in and become a part of the team. And I will probably continue to be picky about the folks that come in the future, because I want to maintain the office culture that we've built thus far. Family law is tricky. It's hard. It is emotionally taxing. It can be financially taxing. So my recommendation for everyone is to take a breath. I had an attorney that I worked with for a long time who always gave great advice. She said, sleep on it, drink on it, pray on it. If you get the same answer 3 times, it's probably what you should be doing. And I laugh about it now, but I honestly think it's great advice. So take a breath. There are people here and really other wonderful attorneys in the community that can be here to help. And that's our job. Our job is to advocate for the client. Each and every attorney here, let alone our staff members, do a wonderful job of that. And I think that there can always be light at the end of the tunnel, even in the midst of litigation where it may not seem like that's the case.